Hello, I want to be showing you how to cut out an image and then transferring it to another document. So usually there's multiple ways to cut out an image. You can use the quick selection tool, the pen tool, and the lasso tool. Now, the quick selection tool it's good for like quite like like pretty much like big objects or like something you want to do very quick. Just like very quick and instantly. The lasso tool it's a bit more precise than the selection tool because the selection tool, the quick selection tool, will be very bumpy around the edges. It's not very accurate near the edges. Well, the lasso tool is a bit more accurate, but the pen tool is a bit better than the lasso tool because you can curve it and it's just much more accurate. I want to be using the pen tool to cut out this shark and then transferring it to this image. But I'll be using the pen tool just for some, just to make things more precise. Even if it's a bit longer, it'll make the image much more detailed, not very bumpy. It'll be like just much more precise. Now I'll just get started. You can use whatever you want, and I'll be using the pen tool. Now I might have made a bit of like little mistakes with the pen tool. I'm still learning like how to completely use the pen tool because it's not as easy as it looks. You can make quite a bit of mistakes. You might see it a bit. But anyways, the next thing you gotta do after, let's say if you're using the pen tool, just right click and then just make the selection and then just press OK. And if you use the quick selection tool or whatever, um, now you're gonna make a mask. I won't go details into the mask since that isn't the point of the video. I'll do in another video. But what you gotta do to make a mask, you just go to the to the bottom of layers in your layers panel. You go all the way down till you find this like little camera looking thing. So white square with a circle, white square with like a gray circle in the center. Click on it. What that does is like it's similar to cutting out the the image, the like the part of the image that wasn't in the selection, but it's actually still there. It's just like invisible. So what that means is, let's just say you want to add another part of that image that you forgot to maybe add or wanted to add. You can just add it back or you can delete some of it, as you see. But after you made the mask, what you gotta do next, press V on your keyboard or to the very top of the tools panel right here on the left side, the very top, the tool, the move tool. Just press V and then make sure your image is selected. Just hold left click on it, then move it to the document that you want to use it on. And then after the image changes to whatever image that you wanted it on, uh, hover your mouse over the image. You see this like square with a plus in the center. That means it's gonna be added the previous image that you made a selection on and mask into this document. Now just let go left click and now the image is added. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.